This video for UWIC College Services shows you how to register with a GP using the VLE page. First of all, you need to navigate your way to UWIC College Services. Click on the link and scroll down, and you'll see we have these pictures or tiles. For registering with a GP, you need to click on What Support Will I Get? And you'll see a link here saying Health, Faith and Wellbeing. You need to scroll down until you find this yellow block saying Visit to a Doctor. You come down slightly further, you'll see the address for the University Campus Health Centre, which is where you can register to be with a GP if you're in the halls of residence, or if you want to use it as a convenient place when using the university. So click on here and then complete the form. Your UE student number as opposed to your Kaplan one, which you would have been given on your first day on the sheet, your title, whether you're Mr., Mrs., etc., family name, this is all the surname means, your first names, any middle names you may have, any change of last or family name that you've gone through, your date of birth. You won't necessarily have an NHS number, so it doesn't matter if you leave that one blank, whether you're male or female, and the country of your birth. And gradually fill out the details as you go down, and once again, when they've been completed, click on Submit.